Hello guys. Well, the restoring of my car's headlights is done. This is how they look in the end. I chose to record with the GoPro this time to show you how they are. I went in my town in BRAŠov at a detail service called Glass Tuning, and they are really experts in this domain. Maybe the best they are in my town. The whole procedure lasts about 1 hour and 50 minutes with all the waiting. They've polished the entire surface of the headlights. You saw that it was in a really bad shape, and after that they've applied a transparent plastic foil. This one is self-regenerating, and basically it will clear itself over time, and it will last for about 4 to 5 years, after which I will simply they will peel it off and put a new one. There are some let's say some minor lines that are still visible, like here and here, but this will fade away totally in a couple of days. Also, you must not wash the car at all for 2 days after doing this procedure, or else you will take off the protective layer. Right now the headlights look like brand new. This cost me in my local currency 280 lei. Let's see exactly how much that is. So somewhere about 58 euros. They have even a more expensive option for a plastic foil that lasts even more, something like up to 7 years. And that increases the price with about 25 euros, but I chose this one, and also a cheaper option, again with 25 euros cheaper than the 58 I paid, and that lasts only about 2 to 3 years, and it is not self-regenerating. But yeah, overall it is a very nice result, and if you are in town, I highly recommend Glass Tuning. You should really check them out. They do a complete service, everything that regards applying foils everywhere on your car. Until next time, take care wherever you are.